Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Rastamita Trimaulita and I'm from 5BD class, English Department, State Polytechnic of Sriwijaya. Today, I would like to present my presentation for research methodology exercise with the title Independent, Dependent, and Control Variable in Research. If I ask you what is variable in research, I think all of you already know what is variable in research, especially if you are a college student, so you are very familiar with this statement, with this word. So, based on Lubis 2018, variables are anything that is used as an object to be observed in research or that becomes the center of attention for researchers to observe or measure. Based on Lubis' statement, we can conclude that variable is an object to be observed in research. Variable itself, based on the relationship, can classify into three types. They are independent variable, dependent variable, and control variable. For independent variable, it depends on other factors that are measured, and for dependent variable, this is being measured in an experiment and respond to the things that change. For control variable, this is the part that is not being tested and should remain unchanged. Sometimes control variables is also used to measure the effect of the independent variable and the dependent variable. If you are still confused, you can see the example for independent variable and dependent variable based on the plant growth experiment. For independent variable, you can see here there is water and fertilizer. For independent variable, this is the one things that change. The one things that change here is the liquid. The liquid is gonna be water and it will be fertilizer. But for dependent variable, this is change that happen because of independent variable. So you can see this height and weight of plant. This is the dependent variable. How the water or the fertilizer affect or influence the height or weight of the plant. So that's why dependent variable it happen cause of independent variable. The third is control variables. Everything you want to remain constant and unchanging. Also, the control variables is not a part of the experiment, but they are important because they could affect the outcome. And lack of awareness of control variables can lead to faulty result or what we call by confounding variable. So the control variable is really important. The control variables here that I said before, this is can measure the effect of independent and dependent variable. There are some reasons why control variable is important. The first is to make it easier to reproduce the experiment and to increase confidence in the outcome of the experiment. So I think that's all for my presentation. Thanks for watching and I end with wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.